Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So right now everyone is talking about OpenAI's ChatGPT and how to use it to make money online. So there's a lot of confusion about ChatGPT. So I have decided to make a video about this artificial intelligence tool, and in this video I will tell you what is ChatGPT and how it works and how you can use it to make money online. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first of all, if I open ChatGPT in my laptop screen, so this one's a blog. So if I open this, okay, ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool. It is pre-trained with artificial intelligence and machine learning, which interacts in a conversational way. So like you can see that if you ask a question to this ChatGPT, it will answer based on its training. So if I open this try GPT, okay, I have already logged into my account. If you are new here, then you have to create an account on ChatGPT. It's very simple. You have to enter your email, and then you have to enter your mobile number and verify your mobile number. And it's free to sign up on this ChatGPT. After signing up, you'll come to this screen. You'll be redirected to this screen. Then, as you can see, that examples. These are some examples on how you can use this ChatGPT and some capabilities of this AI bot and the limitations of this AI bot. So now, if I tell you how you can use the ChatGPT to grow your business. So my product is Shilajit. I will write what is Shilajit just to test. And as you can see that this AI bot is writing an article on my question. Okay. So as you can see that it is a well-written article. Okay, so this is how you can use this OpenAI chatbot called ChatGPT, and there's a lot of misconfusion about this chatbot, that how can you use it to make money online. And in this video I will tell you clearly that how you can use this chatbot to make money online. So first of all, let me tell you that there's no direct way to make money on this platform called OpenAI's ChatGPT, but you can use this ChatGPT to grow your business, to grow your career in your business, in your job, or any other career. So I will tell you 4 ways to use this ChatGPT to grow your business, to grow your career. My first trick in to make money online using ChatGPT is blogging. If you are a blogger or if you want to start your blog, then you can use this ChatGPT to grow your business in blogging. So how can you use this ChatGPT to grow your business in blogging, to grow your blog, to get maximum number of traffic in blogging? So let me tell you by showing an example. So let's say I am writing an article about search engine optimization. So how can I use this chatbot to write an article about search engine optimization? I will not ask this chat GPT to write an article for me, but I will use this chat GPT to generate some ideas about writing an article about search engine optimization. So provide some ideas to write article about SEO. Okay, so now as you can see that here are some ideas for writing an article about SEO, an introduction to SEO, explain what SEO is and why it is important for businesses and websites. And these are some pretty basic and important ideas to write an article about search engine optimization. So I can use this chat GPT to generate some ideas, new ideas, unique ideas to write an article on some specific topic. So if you are a blogger, you can use this chat GPT to write an article about search engine optimization to generate some ideas. I can use this chat GPT to generate some outlines to write my blog. So how can I use this chat GPT to write some outlines for my article? So let's say I want to write an article about an introduction to SEO and explain what SEO is and why it is important for businesses and website. So I will write here, provide an outline. Okay, provide an article for first topic in the above paragraph. So, okay, let's say above list. So the best thing about this Open Chat AI GPT is that it remembers our previous conversations. So it will remember all these conversations. So if I click here and then you can see that. Okay, so wonderful. So as you can see that from here, if I go up, sure, here's an outline for the first topic, an introduction to SEO. So introduction, outline how search engine works, implement elements of a successful SEO strategy, and the importance of user experience. Is a wonderful outline. It's basically, I can write an article on these outlines. So I can just ask this chat GPT to write an article for me of 500 words. So if I show you, write an article about SEO, about introduction of SEO in 500 words. Okay. So as you can see that this chat GPT is writing an article for me, but I will not use this article on my blog. Why? Because this is bot written article and Google and other search engines will catch that this article is written by a bot or it's auto generated article. So I will not use this article on my blog. I will not recommend you to use this article on your blog. Write articles based on your experiences, and it will be a quality content, it will be a unique content, and you have to. So if I show you an example, like here, the above article 100% unique and plagiarism free. So if we ask this chatbot, so as you can see that as an AI, I'm not able to determine if the above article is 100% unique and plagiarism free. So I can say that this article is not 100% unique and not plagiarism free. So if you use this article on your blog, it may affect your search engine ranking. So you can use this chat GPT to generate ideas, to generate outline, and to generate some unique articles. But you can use this article, if you want to use this article on your blog, you can just change, you can just rephrase this article in your own words, and then you can use this article on your blog. So that's how you can use this chat GPT on your blog, on blogging, to grow your business in blogging. My second method to earn money through ChatGPT is you can use this ChatGPT to create email newsletters. You can use this ChatGPT in your email marketing career. So how can you use this ChatGPT in email newsletters to generate newsletters? So if I ask him to generate an email newsletter about SEO. So this is a well-written email newsletter about search engine optimization. Like you can see that subject, I can change this subject. If I ask him to change the subject, rephrase the subject line. Okay, as you can see that it has rephrased the subject line, improve your website search engine ranking with these SEO tips. So if I go up and hello, are you looking? So this is a well written newsletter. Some changes are needed, so I can do that, and then I can use this email newsletter in my email marketing campaigns to send to my email subscribers. So this is how I can use my this chat GPT in my email marketing. Okay. And my third way to use this chat GPT in your career, in your business, is you can use this chat GPT for programming. If you are a programmer, then you can use this chat GPT to get the code and to use this in your programming. So if I show you an example, I will ask this chat GPT write a code in PHP about weather in a city. Okay, as you can see that it has written a code and it will give me some description about the code. So if I go up and see the code, what it has written here, it has provided me the keyword, it has provided me all the code or I need it to display a weather condition in some specific city. So as you can see that you can use this chat GPT in your programming to generate code about some specific problem. So this is how you can use in this chat GPT in programming. And my fourth and last way to use this chat GPT in your career, to grow your career, to grow your business, is you can use this chat GPT to generate resume and cover letters. So if I ask it to write a cover letter for a position of SEO executive in an organization with my name Zain Rizvee. Okay, as you can see that it has written me a cover letter, and if I go up and see what it has written, dear hiring manager, I'm writing, and as you can see that it has some incorrect information, like I don't have 5 years of experience in the field. So I can just ask it to change this experience and it will write this article, this cover letter for me with by changing this 5 years. And I'm current in my current role is at my company. So I can say that I don't have any experience in any company. So if I tell this chatbot to change the cover letter based on my experiences, I don't have 5 years experience. Change it to 3 years. Okay, and I am not working in any company right now. Okay, as you can see that with 3 years of experience, it has changed it, and now I'm currently seeking a new opportunity to leverage my skills. So this is wonderful. I can use this as my cover letter, and I can just ask him to make a resume for me. Make a resume based on the above cover letter. Okay, it has created me a resume based on my cover letter. I can provide some more informations to this chat GPT to generate a good and well written resume to use this resume for job hunting or any other requirement. So this is how you can use chat GPT to make money online in your businesses, in your job, in your career. So there are a lot of confusions right now on the internet about chat GPT and how you can use this chat GPT to make money online. So I have made my point that this chat GPT right now cannot be used directly to make money on this platform, but you can use this chat GPT to grow your business, to grow your career, and to grow your job hunting and many other things. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.